Nothwest 2025?
No, it's a courtroom.
Thank you. Somebody understands that we are here to serve our public duty. Woo! Now, some of you think like, oh, this is going to be like a really fun panel and they're just joking around. No, actually, we just roped you into jury duty. Who's ready for jury duty? I think I watched this the last time I wore it, and it does not fit anymore. So,
Or you just got big.
who cares? All right, I'm ready now. Hello, Everfree Northwest 2025. Make some noise! Come on! Thank you guys again for not only supporting Everfree Northwest, but coming on out. We have a huge lineup of panels this year. This is actually our biggest lineup we've ever had at an Everfree Northwest, and it starts right now. For those of you that are brand new to Cartoon Court, well, first of all, I should say welcome to Cartoon Court. For those of you that accidentally walked in, please don't leave. For those that want to leave, guys, please shut the doors. Before we get started, always have to give a huge, huge applause and thank you to the AV team. Can we make some noise for the AV team? Again, they help make us actually sound halfway decent. So this is Cartoon Court. The way that this panel works is it's got a little bit of structure, a little bit, kind of like your average courtroom, and just a little bit of structure. But what we're going to be doing is we're going to be looking to the audience to participate with us. So a lot of times we like to get cosplayers involved. We don't know what the court cases are going to be yet. Again, just like your average courtroom. And we're going to be winging it with all of you. How many of you are brand new to Cartoon Court? Raise your hands. Welcome. How many of you are brand new to Everfree Northwest? Do we have some newbies? Can we make noise for the newbies, guys? Well, again, thank you all for coming on out. Hello, hello. And yeah, I guess with that, since I'm going to be one of your very qualified lawyers today, I'm going to hand this off to our bailiff. Please welcome, as you do in any jury room, please make some noise for the bailiff.
Every pony please rise for our esteemed judge today, #1 Starlight Glimmer fan and game show extraordinaire, Taylor!
All rise, motherfucker.
And I would also like to welcome to the stage our esteemed lawyers today. First off, we have Saber Spark. AC Race Best. Silver Quill. And Panama Matt.
Key of A, please. Key of A. Perfect. All right. So, like we said, we are looking for some cosplayers that are looking to volunteer to have their court case heard. I saw, let's see here. I feel like I'm on the edge of disaster right now. I whispered this whole time. Okay, we've got some hands over to our left. You see, what do you see up there? Saber, lawyer Saber, Mr. Spark. You don't need me to tell you this, but you got it.
Do we have some volunteers?
Yeah, over there.
Who are you cosplaying as? Chrysalis? Get up here. Chrysalis and Muffle Puff.
Oh boy.
Very good.
This is gonna be
Come on up. All right. Is there a ramp or something, or trampoline?
There is. I should have explained this part, but we're winging it. We're winging it, everybody.
We are improvising.
Your stairs.
Around this
We will
way.
have one of you on this side.
Come on
And
up.
one of you on that side.
All right. Flufflepuff, hello.
Hello.
Chrysalis.
Hello.
What should be the trial? Divorce. It is divorce. Who's divorcing who?
Don't they usually? Isn't it a two-way street?
Yeah. Okay.
I'm gonna divorce you. No, I'm gonna divorce you.
All right. In that case, we will represent Flufflepuff. You all shall represent Queen Chrysalis. Okay. And we'll see who gets to keep the kids during the holidays. All right. Flufflepuff, have a seat. Chrysalis, sit over there.
And what a
Who's prosecuting who? Who's on the offensive? Okay, very good. Queen Chrysalis.
I like that. That's definitely the prosecution side.
Yo, Anthony, can we get this?
This is mic number 4. If I don't know if that one's working at all. But we'll never give up.
Never surrender.
But right now we can share microphones. All right, folks. Cartoon Court is in session.
All right, so you all are the prosecution. So rock, paper, scissors, right? Rock, paper, scissors, ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Ha! We get the house.
Does that mean we win the case?
We won. Thank you all.
All right.
Thank you.
Yes. Congrats.
No, you all start first in the prosecution.
Yeah, that was a coin toss. You get to go first.
Come on, lawyer Matt.
Go right ahead. I lost the toss. Oh. Hopefully you can do something better.
Oh. Court will be in session. We now hear the case against the divorce of Flufflepuff and Queen Chrysalis. This prosecution, you may begin opening statements.
All right. Give me. Here. Oh, thank you.
L'amour. Toujours. Some days you can't fall in love, you just have to wait. It don't come easy, and it's a game of give and take. And now we're arguing to see who's going to take what. But what is the need? The mutual need? The solitary need? What does the changeling queen need? She needs love to survive. Changelings, they feed on love. And if that love is gone, well then she's going to starve and die. Do you want Queen Chrysalis to die? No! Therefore, until she can get back on her slightly punctured feet, the structural engineering escapes me, we are asking for a great variety of items which were very much loved. And that residual love will enable our queen to sustain herself as she starts her new single life. We believe that Miss Puff has enough of the stuff and won't have
Objection.
it so rough.
Too much driving.
Overruled.
What are you gonna do, Miss Puff?
I thought you paid him off.
Wasn't enough. Thank you.
Defense,
You're welcome.
your opening statement.
Pink fluffy unicorns dancing on rainbows. Pink fluffy unicorns dancing on rainbows.
Order!
Objection, Your Honor. This is irrelevant.
Sorry. Folks of the jury, ponies of Equestria. Pink fluffy unicorns dancing on rainbows. Pink fluffy unicorns dancing on rainbows. Pink fluffy unicorns dancing on rainbows.
Please. Please get on with it.
Oh, we were.
I just got done with traffic court. That was something I do not wish to deal with.
Sorry, Judge, sir.
Thank you.
Highness.
Thank you.
Fluffy. Not fluffy. Fluffle. Ruffle. Scuffle.
Slander.
Flufflepuff has always been one with words. Has always said very beautiful things, spoken from the heart. Just listen. See? We ask that you consider the true victim in all of this divorce case. Pink fluffy unicorns dancing on rainbows. Pink fluffy unicorns dancing on rainbows.
Order! Order! No spitting in my court. We need to worry about 621. Remember that. Prosecution, you may begin questioning. Our last case was a little interesting, so that's why it was a little tangled up.
You know what, Your Honor, will work what I find. Miss Puff. Miss Fluff? Miss Puff? Flufflepuff?
It was Mrs., but you know.
Isn't it true you spent most of your time out there dancing on rainbows?
It is.
And isn't it true that you weren't at home when your queen needed you?
Well, that depends. When did you need me, Chrysalis?
When didn't I need you?
I told you before we committed to this relationship that the rainbows, I'm just not ready to let them go yet. I've told you about this.
I should matter more than the rainbows.
You do, I promise. I promise.
It doesn't feel like that.
Well, you can't have a rainbow without green.
Your Honor, I must object. This is becoming an episode of Jerry Springer.
Objection! Abstain.
You keep that shirt over there.
You try that one more time, I'll throw you out of my court.
Yes, sir.
Your Honor, I think this counsel's action speaks for their own client. Rude. And Queen, Chrysalis. How did her actions make you feel?
Unappreciated.
And is that why you are here today to ask for this relationship to end?
Exactly. Flufflepuff.
Objection! Cool. I'm just a simple lawyer, raised in Lawyer Town. And I think there's somebody here in this audience who knows a thing or two about villains. I'd like to call you off the shop.
You say villains like it's a bad thing.
Our surprise witness, Twilight Sparkle. Twilight Sparkle. Yes, you. Come on up here. This way. Bring a chair. Yes. Oh yeah, you are cooked. We got you dead to rights. All right. Don't worry, we're gonna win this one. All right. Twilight. Twilight. Yes. Twilight Sparkle. All right, it's a sidetrack. Which one are you? Sidetrack. Oops. We got the wrong Twilight.
Twilight Sparkle.
Well, what's up? ZZ Top. Very good. What's Twilight? Twilight, come up here.
Both Twilights!
Come on up, Twilight, please.
Do we have any other Twilight
Are there any
Sparkles
other
out there?
Twilights here?
We need to get the
Do
Twilight.
we have the Twilight multiverse?
Twilight multiverse. Come on.
Any more Twilights? All right, we got enough. The one with the Twilight hat, you. Yes, the Twilight hat. You don't want to come up? No, it's all right.
We might have enough. I think we're good.
Have a seat, Twilight. So, Twilight, what happened on August? when that one happened during the wedding, what happened?
She kidnapped my favorite pole sitter and trapped her in a cave.
Oh, blasphemy!
What
Your Honor, I
blasphemy?
object. It's not relevant. What happened during a separate instance does not speak from my client's intent or personal.
When they're a felon, I think so.
Sideswipe, can you concur of what Twilight said?
Absolutely.
Asked and answered. It's the same person.
We had
No,
Sideswipe
they're different.
conduct a private study to see how stupid you are. What were the findings?
IQ -5.
Whoa!
I do have to say, when she asked me if we could get a warrant to build tunnels underneath the house, I was quite skeptical. I was
For
quite skeptical.
a changeling-sized tunnel?
Yes.
That's suspicious as hell.
Complete with caves and
It could be a pony-sized tunnel too.
And that right
They are
there
about
speaks
the
to
same
the
size.
intolerance.
And if I'm correct, there was that one time where you both went to the Texas Roadhouse and you ate all the bread.
I like bread. Is that a crime?
It should be. And at least it's a misdemeanor.
And not to mention, it wasn't just tunnels. Do you remember the bridge you built? That's right, the bridge to Terabithia.
No.
They remember.
No.
those poor
clue.
children. I hope those poor children have their peace.
Thank you, exactly. I think we all know that Chrysalis is a villain. She eats bread. She doesn't pay her taxes.
Your Honor, must object. Must object, first of all, Queen Chrysalis is not part of the equestrian government. She does not have to pay taxes. Secondly, all this talk about bread requires a yeast and desist order.
You heard it here first, folks.
And third of all, I would like to throw out the testimony of Sideswipe, as she herself was a villain under the moniker of Midnight Spapu.
What is this fanfic that you're writing over there?
It's called Memory. I'd encourage you to try it, but you probably forget.
Twilight, what did you do in order to get rid of Chrysalis?
I saved Princess Cadence from the caves and brought her back to my big brother, best friend forever, Prince Shining Armor, so that they could get married, and their love banished her from Equestria.
Family. Gospel, the American way. That's what Flufflepuff stands for and what Chrysalis stands against. And I won't stand for it. Damn it.
Which is why we're standing.
I'm good for questions. Okay. I'm ready to move on to closing argument.
There's a closing argument.
Please. I need some arguing.
I think counsel put it best, Your Honor, pointing out that Chrysalis has already been banished before, cast away from love, the one thing that she is here to try to maintain, that she tried before, tried again with Flufflepuff, and is now being denied once more.
She was also banished from Olive Garden.
Boom.
And that's a bad thing?
There'll be
I like
no
their
Olive Garden
breadsticks.
slam.
Look, when you have legs like Swiss cheese and they walk around with those cheese graters, it's better for everyone.
You're representing a cheese grater.
I take the whole cheese block.
But what I'm saying, Your Honor, and to everyone in the jury, she is looking for love. It is something that is being denied through this divorce, and it is something we are asking that she is able to take with her to sustain her and hopefully help her find something better in this world. Who can say no to that?
We can. The people.
We the people.
All right, Race, let them have it. To me, I think that Chrysalis.
I do have to say.
What?
Hold on.
Many of you are probably aware of me from my debut, Pink Fluffy Unicorns Dancing on Rainbows, that video. It was my debut, the start of the boom of my career, and how much more love can there be than over 10 million views on one video? How much more love would you need?
Wait, can we fix this?
I'm willing to.
Maybe
willing to.
Maybe it's not court we need, but couples therapy. Is there a therapist in the audience?
Giant couples therapy.
What? Huh? Can we work this out? Can't true love prevail? Can't we just go to Olive Garden and work this out?
If Flufflepuff is willing to.
Flufflepuff,
I'd
are
be
you?
willing.
No.
I can't guarantee anything.
No, Apple Bloom, get out of here.
In this economy, that would be quite unfortunate.
Go buy some apples.
Apples.
Can we work this out, though?
I'm willing to.
Yeah?
Me too. It's up to you,
Wait.
Flufflepuff.
One moment.
Oh, yeah.
Do we still get paid?
I already cashed the check.
Good. All right.
True love prevails! Now, I want you all to stand up, high five, and walk away.
It's time. Time for us to come back together.
Pink fluffy unicorns dancing on rainbows. Pink fluffy unicorns dancing on Yay! Everybody wins, except for the taxpayers. Did I miss something?
I don't know how to describe it, but can we get a round of applause? Flufflepuff and Chrysalis.
Twilight and Sidewise. Thank you all. Round one, done.
The worst part is they objected to mediation like 5 times before taking us to court.
Do I hear 6?
That was pretty good. We need some more cosplayers.
Unfortunately, because that technically counted as a mistrial, you all get to go through jury duty again, all right?
Oh!
I thought you were happy to be here earlier. What happened? All right, so I guess we need to find our
I
next...
see Sunset Shimmer back there. I see Apple Bloom. I see Fluttershy from Hot Topic. I see... You with your hand in the back. Yes. I can't... Huh? Celestia! Celestia, get up here! And then... What's a good Celestia? Sunset Shimmer, maybe? Okay. Sunset Shimmer, come on up here. Wasn't Sunset Shimmer once Celestia's student?
Yes.
How about Sunset Shimmer is suing Celestia to get her student loan back? Alright, that works. Sunset Shimmer, you want to come up here?
I think he's talking to you.
I'm Pinkie Pie.
Oh!
It's really hard to
I'm hard of seeing. Pinkie Pie, who gives a... Oh, get up here! Pinkie Pie! Sorry, my the purple one.
Celestia ate Pinkie Pie's cake.
There you go. I like that. Celestia allegedly ate Pinkie Pie's cake. All right.
Yeah.
And now Celestia is seeking legal damages. All right. All right. We can make it work. I almost called you up, Simba.
Pinkie Pie's doing it.
Seeking damages. There you go. Have a seat right here. Are you Pinkie Pie from the scary YouTube? Okay.
Hey, that's one of your favorites.
I think we're gonna lose.
We'd like to change for the case to get filing a restraining order.
You won't be able to afford it when we're done with you.
Yep. All right, so Pinkie Pie is suing Celestia for eating her cake. Yeah? Okay.
This one's gonna hit very close to home for a lot of us.
Yep.
So
All right. Opening statement, you or me?
I got this. Ponies of the jury, how many of us have been in this situation? Yes.
Mr. Cake's out there.
Need I say anymore? You're sitting at the table, and you've got that plate with that big cartoon cover over it, and you're like, man, when I pull that thing off, I'm gonna eat that cake. But you pull off that cover, and it's empty. Gasp.
Yes.
We should warn some of you, this is going to be a very graphic case. For some of you, You will not be able to handle it emotionally. I am just holding on myself. I cannot believe the gall to eat someone else's cake. Oh yeah, you look around, who could they be talking about? Ooh. But we know, and we're gonna be able to prove it here today with our evidence, of which we have a lot of, or had a lot of, before it got eaten.
My God!
Thank you for being here. We will seek justice for Pinkie Pie.
Professor, you may begin your opening statement.
Thank you, Your Honor. Big words to threaten your queen with.
I didn't vote for her.
You don't vote for a queen.
That's the problem.
Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, have you ever heard of the phrase, have your cake and eat it too?
Yes.
And have any of you ever met Pinkie Pie before?
Yes.
How many of you, by a show of hands, recognize her to be a quantum dimensional being? So I will first suggest to you that it's possible that she had her cake while eating it too, and this empty plate is just quantum superposition or something else. Remember, the burden of proof is on them to show the cake was gone first, and second, the Queen Celestia here. Princess Celestia, I'm sorry. Forgive me. That Princess Celestia here would be the one to eat it, to steal it, to take it. And I want you to focus on the word steal because I will also suggest to you that she's the princess. I believe everything in the kingdom might be hers. And but by her good graces does she allow. Sorry, I'm making sound a bit like a villain in society continue to function.
You heard that, right? You heard that, right? Yeah. Can I read that back? What was that? Celestia's stupid and steals things and bad. Your words, not mine.
You can't steal what you already own, and that platter was not empty when it started, and you can't prove that she did anything.
Talk about a platter being empty over there.
Proof?
I do have proof. My pinky senses, all right?
Bam.
I knew that Celestia was going to eat my cake. And I went to go check on my cake. And you know what I see on Celestia's mouth?
Tell us.
A sprinkle.
What color sprinkle?
It was pink.
Quick objection. I feel like everyone in this kingdom should already know. Pink sprinkles are not my favorite. I prefer blue over anything. Thank you very much.
That's why the cake wasn't for you.
Oh! So what you're telling me is that you eating the cake was a cruel and unusual punishment. Yeah? Yes. Whose turn is it?
I mean, if you're offering, we'll take it.
Prosecution, you were to begin your questioning.
Why you gotta be such a meanie? God. All right. I'm a simple man.
It's true.
I don't believe in authoritarian monarchy with despots eating cake.
Such a simple
Good people of Equestria. I believe in this little thing called, democracy. Ever, thank you. Thank you. Your days are numbered.
Viva la Taco Bell.
Mojave like
Live
that.
Moss.
When will you give the people the cake that they deserve? When will they be able to keep the hard worked upon cakes that they worked for? I think we should chop her head off. I think we should do this the old-fashioned French way. Thank you, Sideway. Even the scientist agrees with us.
Your Honor, I must object. The old French way is also to surrender.
Just chop his head off too.
Chop this golden one's head off. I believe that if anything, you owe our clients a new cake and the people of Equestria a new government.
Thank you.
That's your question.
Also, Silverquill's mama is so stupid. I'm just joking. She's a lovely lady.
She was so stupid she had me.
Hey, stop it. Your mom's cool.
Oh, thank you. Your mom's cool.
Nah, she's okay.
You stop both of you. All right, Miss Pie. Would you agree that there's some irony that you're upset about a cake when your name is Miss Pie?
I wouldn't say so, no.
Objection, discrimination.
Discrimination, you anti-alicornist. Anyway, you're anti-alicorn. Why? No, Saber is anti-alicorn. Yes. There we go, thank you. All right, so Miss Pie, this cake in question, where did you leave it?
Well, I left it on the table in my room while I was getting ready.
On a table in your room. So how did Miss Celestia, Princess Celestia, even know it was there? How could she know?
Well, I was speaking about my cake with Twilight and Rainbow Dash. I was talking about how amazing my cake was going to be. It was for the after party. It was for me specifically and my good friends.
Your good friends, one of whom happens to be Princess Celestia's student.
Yes.
So did you think for a minute, maybe I should advertise this really awesome, wonderful cake to the student of a princess who is known to love cake? Were you perhaps negligent in your due diligence?
You know, I think Princess Celestia should know not to take my cake.
Ah, but you forget Canterlot Revised Statutes, Article 3, Section 1, subsections 43 through 45. The princess is entitled to a slice of cake from anything within her kingdom.
I object.
You can't object to the law.
Who made that law?
Right.
Satan! I don't like it.
And you abide to live by it, sir. You abide. You all abide.
I believe what this is revolution. Right now. Who's got a guillotine?
There's a lot of hands that went up.
Please, everyone. When talking about cake theft, it's important to stay frosty.
Sit down.
Nevertheless, the law is on the princess's side. She was entitled to any sampling of cake.
Kangaroo court.
No, it's pony court.
I'm sorry. I was in Australia for a bit. It's not fair.
Exactly.
See, our good friend Chrysalis, who's never done anything wrong ever, has testified that Despot Celestia, meanie pants, takes whatever she wants. What next? Taking away Apple Bloom's cutie mark? Well, but she doesn't have one. It could be you next.
Princess Celestia, where were you the night of the 15th?
I was in my castle, per usual.
Per usual? Doing what?
Very important princess duties.
We all know she's lying.
Objection, Your Honor. Argumentative.
Sustained.
Move to strike that from the record.
Apologies.
Get off.
So you were doing very important princess things. And can you fill us in on what kind of important princess things that you were doing?
Lots of planning, bit more planning, a little sleeping, mostly sleeping.
Now, is it possible that you were planning to steal Pinkie Pie's cake? Because as I asked on the 15th, but the cake wasn't stolen till the 16th. What were you planning in your castle and sleeping a little bit?
You know, I was planning a surprise party for Pinkie. That cake, the reason why I was spotted in Ponyville the day of was I was planning a surprise party for her and I was asking her friends to be invited.
What happened?
Pause. Time out.
What happened?
She was planning. Tell my Pinkie Pie. She was planning a surprise party. She's planning a surprise party.
For who? For who?
For Pinkie Pie.
When I was on the Ponyville Supreme Court, we never had this issue.
Wait, so Celestia stole Pinkie Pie's cake to give it to Pinkie Pie for a surprise party. That's awesome.
That's awesome.
What do I do? Mistrial?
Mistrial?
The second one in a row.
Another one?
Another one.
Do you want to surprise her then? You want to tell her what it was for?
Huh?
Do you want to tell Pinkie Pie why you did what you did then?
I guess.
Go on.
So, I know how much you love your goodies, and I know that I'm not nearly as good as a chef as you. So because of this, I thought I might as well try to find what flavor you like the best, and I heard about your beautiful, wonderful, delicious cake, and thought that if I could make something just as good, it would be the best party for you I could ever make.
Aww. Do we want to ask the people of Equestria if we should forgive Celestia for stealing Pinkie Pie's cake to give Pinkie Pie back her cake?
Yes. Well, I guess we'll hand this over to the judge for the jury vote.
Very well. Ladies and gentlecoats of the court, I now ask you to please do your diligent duty to select who this case should go to. Shall it go to Pinkie Pie? And for Princess Celestia. Sounds more like we have a bit of a hung jury.
You can't sing that.
Yeah, but I'm
do you know what convention you're in?
Alright, I'm going to ask one more time for Pinkie Pie. Princess Celestia. Well, with that being said, this court will rule in favor of the one Pinkie Beaner Diane Pie.
So what's the sentencing for Celestia?
Off of their head.
Off of their head?
Cut it off! Cut it off! Cut it off!
Order. With that being said, Princess Celestia, I order you to give Pinkie Pie a new cake within the next 2 weeks, and then you'll be serving probation for the next 2 years.
See you on the freeway.
Your Honor, I've just been informed. She's just wants to know vanilla or chocolate.
Vanilla.
For the cake. Have you forgotten the cake that she wants to make?
No, I understood it. But of course, this is Pinkie Pie, so obviously it has to be chocolate.
God, why are you speaking for Pinkie?
Because she won the case. She had.
Judge, throw that lawyer in jail. How dare he argue with you? How rude.
I never deal with most lawyers these days. I dealt with one the other day. He was just. I threw him out.
Good.
Horse's ass.
Very good.
Thank you. Pinkie Pie. Celestia. Very good. Big man. Thank you so much. It could have been worse, Celestia. A cake versus your head, you know. I think we have time for one more trial. Fluttershy, come up here. And then Simba from the Lion King.
Okay. That works.
Yeah. You'll see, baby. Hey, yeah, Pumbaa too. Come on, nice. We're good. We're good.
Where'd Simba go?
Have a seat. Pumbaa.
I promise we'll win this one.
All right, the trial. Okay. Simba is seeking medical cost because Fluttershy, who was a chiropractor, was not licensed and created severe vertebrate damage to Simba, Pumbaa, Timon's vertebrae. This is a class action lawsuit, and we are seeking legal
retribution.
Money. All right. Money.
Your Honor, I'd
Restitution.
first like to object. There's only a class of one that doesn't qualify as a class in law, so I'm going to ask to dismiss.
Shut up! Shut up! Shut up!
Case dismissed.
All right. So we're prosecuting you all. You're done, Fluttershy. You're toast. All right. Should I start?
All right.
Nice. Imagine the beginning of the TV show. Should I start? Perfect. Woo, that scared me.
Make the stage vibrate.
In the jungle, the mighty jungle. The lions can't sleep tonight because they live in excruciating pain every single day from the spinal damage that you inflicted upon them. This guy can't even rule a kingdom anymore. Scar is back. Somehow Scar's returned. And they lost Pride Rock. Now it's Rock.
I'd like to point out that...
Shut up! You'll have your chance. All right. Timon and Pumbaa can't even talk anymore. They're terrified for their lives. They haven't been able to eat bugs in months. They have been living in constant pain. Simba, you can't even roar anymore.
Sounds like a good roar to me. I don't know.
Oh, it's not. We are seeking legal damages, $500 million.
Defense, your opening statement.
After an opening like that, Your Honor, I don't think we need one. What I'm going to say is, I'm going to say that I keep hitting that thing over there. Fluttershy.
Yes?
You were trying to say something during opposing counsel's opening statement, and they so rudely...
It wasn't her turn to talk.
It's not yours now. Shut up.
It wasn't her turn.
Order.
Miss Shine, you had something to say.
That's not fair, though. You can't do that.
I don't think that Saberspark knows much about lions because he said in the mighty jungle the lion sleeps tonight. But lions actually live in the savannah.
I didn't know they lived in Georgia.
If you would have watched Zootopia, you would have known.
Except for one thing. I did live in the jungle for a while after these two took me in.
Yeah, he was a transferred student, all right? Haven't you seen the documentary? God.
Yeah, it's called A Wee Boy, A Wee Boy, A Wee Boy, A Wee Boy.
Yeah. So, you still trying to save yourselves then?
Yeah.
Is it your turn?
So their spines are hurt. I run a chiropractic business. Bury the Bear will tell you all about it. It can look very violent, but it's actually good for the animals. Like, I'm the one who speaks to animals here, so I think I would...
Well, talk to Pumbaa then. Tell him why he can't... Talk to Pumbaa why he can't carry his children.
Oh, you can't hear him because he's actually dead.
No, I can hear him just fine.
This is a taxidermy. He died.
I can hear him just fine.
So in that
He's
case...
alive.
And if I may, whatever you do, even if he is taxidermied, do not, under any circumstances, call him a pig.
That's why he died.
That would be boorish behavior. I would never do it.
Offensive.
They call him Mr. Pig for a reason.
Right. That is right. You tell them.
Yeah, just ask the hyenas who helped Scar take over Pride Rock that one time.
They unionized, damn it.
I have another point. You said you were in excruciating pain, but I saw you walk up to the stage with no help at all.
We're not needed here. Keep going.
We didn't see that.
Of course he's in excruciating pain. He can't even walk. Now try standing
Look
up,
how broken that leg is.
Simba, try standing up. Oh my God. This was once a mighty king, and now he's just not the king.
My leg?
My leg. Sit down, Simba, please.
Your Honor, I really have to object. This is the second monarch opposing counsel has tried to harm or kill this session.
I agree. Sustained.
First with Celestia, now with Simba. You just enjoy hurting monarchs. Oh my gosh, three monarchs!
This lawyer is very violent.
This is an accident.
Again, I tell you.
Twice as is a coincidence. 3 times is a pattern. What do you have to say for yourself?
Sorry.
He should be disbarred. He's extremely violent.
I've got questions. Celestia is out there. Fluttershy is up here. Sorry, I forgot what case we were doing. Whew. I wonder how that cake's going, though. Probably pretty good. Fluttershy.
Yes?
You say that you have a chiropractic business, is that
Yes.
correct?
I take care of all my animals very well.
Is it licensed?
Yes, I run a sanctuary that's funded by the equestrian government.
The equestrian government.
The government? You mean the same government that's trying to take away our rights?
Yeah.
Yeah, that one. In our cake?
Yeah, we know the government you're talking about.
We don't like the government.
Yeah.
But
Don't you work for
where? No. Oh, me? Yes, I am an officer.
So, going back to the day of this injury, you do acknowledge that you did service Simba? Not what I meant, but you know what I mean?
This is a family court, prosecutor.
I thought this was criminal.
Objection. Okay, so you do acknowledge, though, that Simba was a client of yours.
Yes, since he lived a life not of a typical lion with his other animal friends, he wasn't getting the proper exercise, so his joints were all out of whack, so he really needed some chiropractic work to get back in shape.
When he came to you, what did he describe as one of his symptoms? Why was he coming to you? What was hurting?
Sore back.
Sore back. I'd like to turn things over to Simba now. Hakuna Matata.
What a wonderful phrase.
What a wonderful phrase.
I still object to it.
You agree that you went to see Fluttershy for your back troubles?
Yes.
And what happened at this appointment?
She was doing her duty. It was going well.
It was going well.
But then
She was, I'm sorry.
And then he got hurt.
No, I want to hear more. So what happened after that part?
Then she started getting rough on me, like place in the back.
Yeah.
I actually heard rumors that she did this to a bear one time.
No! You did to a gay man?
A bear.
That was Barry the Bear. He's one of my...
Well, how could you do that to Dusty Cat?
Barry the Bear is one of my clientele, and he's always happy with the results. It looks violent, but you try wrestling a bear. It's hard.
Are you able to even walk now?
He tried.
We understand that you're only able to roll on the ground. Is that true?
Roll on the ground.
Is that true? No?
He's on painkillers.
You don't have to do it. I was just asking if it was true.
Are there any other...
Of course, I'm a lion. Of course I can roll on the ground.
Exactly, and that's all he can do.
I disagree. I saw him get up here by himself. No help.
Did anyone else see what Fluttershy's claiming? Yeah! No! No further questions.
We ain't lying.
He literally is a lion.
Brother, this guy's
Are there any other animals in the audience? It is a class action lawsuit.
Any animals that we can speak to that has been injured?
Wait, if they're all ponies, aren't
Is
they
someone
all
holding a
technically
possum up
animals?
in the...
Is there a possum?
Is that another dead animal?
A dead animal that Fluttershy killed while she... Bring up the possum!
Bring up the possum!
Bring up the dead possum!
Are you sure you're licensed for your business here?
I can't believe that you killed a possum, Fluttershy.
Is that one of the possums from Ice Age?
Oh my God. How could you? May I? Oh, this
Thank
was...
you. What was your possum's name?
Evidence A.
Trash bag.
Trash bag. Oh, trash bag.
He can't even breathe.
Not when you're pressing his lungs like that.
Is it time for our questions now?
Shut up, we're still going.
What, are you going to ask the dead possum?
Look, Judge, look. This possum now had a family. It fought in Iraq, and now it's dead. And it's all because of Fluttershy from Hot Topic. You should be ashamed of yourself. And your high prices. I can't afford your $40 t-shirts.
Says the one dressed like a pumpkin.
Pumpkin? I stole this from Hot Topic. Completely legal. All right. Well, hold on. I want to cross-examine the possum and ask you a question.
I'd love to see where this goes.
Do you regret going to Fluttershy for chiropractic assistance?
I'm not dead. He can't say anything.
Need I say more? Pumbaa? He's scared for his life. All right, who's this belong to again?
Wait, we get to cross-examine.
Oh, okay, yeah, fine.
Prosecution, I should let you know that thing had maggots on it, so thank you very much.
You know,
Defense, you may begin. You may stop.
Hey, Prince Simba, I've got a question for you.
Yes. Cultural appropriation.
So, we've established that you were not sleeping in the savannah, which is your natural environment. Yes. But instead you were sleeping in the jungle with two creatures of significantly different biology and habits.
Yes.
So, to begin with, can you say with any certainty that your alternate lifestyle did not impart injury upon yourself? What is the council whispering? I call shenanigans.
Ask him if he got any game on his phones.
Sorry, what was the question again? He was distracted.
Who wasn't? Winning.
Do you think that sleeping in such an alien environment, in such atypical settings, could have an impact on your biology?
Well, no. But there's a reason for that.
There's a reason for no?
Yes.
Really?
Maybe.
So?
You see, we were doing recon in this equestrial world because we kept hearing rumors that they value friendship. And as such, one of the key aspects of friendship is respect. And someone very special to me taught me that to respect all living creatures in the circle of life.
Rafiki.
Oh yes, the lion respects all creatures, especially the ones that taste good.
Well, they all serve a purpose in the circle of life.
To feed you.
It's the circle of life.
It's a circle of baloney is what it is, which you probably eat from another animal. But I digress. The essay, sorry?
Except for one thing. Yes, my father taught me to respect all creatures, including the antelope, which he admitted that we do eat. But there's more to it than that. He said that when we die, our bodies become the grass. And the antelope, as such, eat the grass.
Uh-huh.
Preach.
Uh-huh. So basically, you get off scot-free and the antelope have to deal with what's left over. Gotcha.
Oh, yeah.
Relevant.
And you shush, comrade.
Out of here.
All right.
He's making an order.
He has the hair lip brush, not you.
Well, actually, I need a little help here.
Well, unfortunately for you, time's up, Mr. Lawyer. We got a vote.
Oh, well, no, I've got just two more questions.
I don't think they let you ask two more questions in the Q&A line.
I would like to point out something.
Good.
Hold on, Fluttershy. All right, closing argument, Fluttershy. What do you have to say?
I am being sued for hurting an animal when this animal just admitted to killing and eating other animals. I'd just like to point out.
Also, I'd like to point out that if you did a simple heart check, you'll find that this individual is playing possum.
What? That's impossible.
It's quite possible.
All right, Judge. Take this one away.
Take this possum and put him in the sleigh. truck, ambulance.
All right. Members of the jury, shall this case go to Simba or to Fluttershy? The choice is in your hands.
Democracy.
For Simba, please cheer.
There's a bunch of hyenas in the audience.
And for Fluttershy,
And for Fluttershy. This case goes to Fluttershy.
All right, we want to thank Simba and Fluttershy for coming on up, and thank all of you for coming out to the cartoon court. We're going to be turning the stage around because there's a panel that's going to be coming up very quickly in here. As a reminder, we're going to be doing Riffing is Magic at 4.
We got a